Well, hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. Now in today's video, I bring you a very interesting airdrop that my Telegram community was demanding, and that is called as Aethir. Aethir is actually a competitor of Render token or Render network, which is right over here. I covered this video around 8 months back, and after the pumping of this token, people are interested to know about its competitor. And today we have its competitor, which is Aethir, a decentralized distributed GPU based compute infra for dynamic enterprise use case. In this video, what I will do is to take you through the airdrop and show you the complete step so that you don't miss out on participating in the airdrop and making a good amount of money by getting the token in your wallet. So with that, let's kick off. Let's start the video. Now remember, before I begin, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and also, as I said, we have a dedicated Telegram community. Click on the link below and join it right away. We share a lot of crypto pumps, token launches, and token airdrop that can really mint you a good amount of money and really make you money in 2024. Let's talk about Aethir now. What is Aethir? Like I said, it's a distributed GPU cloud infra for gaming and AI. And if you go down here, you will read some interesting fact. 200k users already, 10 plus game studio participant, and 23 plus node location. Now, how to participate? Let's focus on that. Let's focus on the airdrop. So this is what you need to do to get started with the airdrop. You need to go to this website, which is right over here, which is airdrop.aethir.com. I will share all the links in the description, so don't worry about it. Just click on that, click on the link, and start doing the task right away. And then you need to connect your wallet. Connect your wallet, connect your MetaMask. Remember to be on the Ethereum network and don't be on any other network. It will only work if you are on Ethereum network. And connect the wallet. So wallet is connected on Ethereum. So this is connected. Now the platform is active. Now before I take you through the complete step, let me show you the official announcement so that you can be more confident before participating in the airdrop. So this is the official announcement from their Twitter page, and that is the long awaited question of when airdrop has finally been answered. Aethir proudly present the Aethir Cloud Drop to you all, launching today and continuing until May 12th. So this is the deadline. This campaign will distribute a portion of upcoming ATH token supply to the community. So that means you need to participate, you need to be active, and follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. Remember, it is totally free of cost, and you need to click on the link below to get started. So again, going back here, I have connected my wallet. You can see here the countdown timer is there, 14 days, 23 hours. Let's go down, and this is what you need to do. You need to collect all the batches to be eligible for the airdrop. And to do so, you need to scroll down more and see here. First of all, snapshot date will be revealed soon. Batches take time to pair, check back in 24 hours. So again, once you complete the task, you won't get the batch immediately. It will take some time, like 15 to 20 hours. So please be patient and then go down here and see the task. First of all, you need to complete this layer 3 quiz. Click on let's go, and once you click on let's go, it will show you the quiz, but with that it will also show you a set of tasks. So people are missing this part. They are just following the quiz, completing it, and exiting from this tab. But you need to complete all the steps that I'm going to show you right away. Again, connect the wallet here, connect it, and once you do it, you can see on the left, these are the tasks that you need to do. Introduction to Aethir, you need to read this. Just scroll here, scroll here, scroll here, click on continue, and then it will take you to the quiz, which is right over here. Just click on continue. It will ask a set of questions. I will share the key in the description. You need to fill the key with exact options. Once you do it, you will complete the step, and then you go to third point, which is visit Aethir Cloud Drop. It is very important. Open Aethir, and that's it. You need to visit it. This will be done. And then you need to connect Discord, connect Telegram, then claim rewards. That's it. That is one of the tasks that you need to complete to be eligible for the airdrop. And after doing so, after waiting for 15 to 20 hours, you will get the badge for this task. So this is number one. Then go back here and go to Galxe, which is galxe.com. Click on let's go, and here again you need to perform a very simple task. Just follow, tweet, and whatever they say, do it and collect the points to be eligible for the airdrop. So again, here also log in like I'm doing in front of you, and once that is done, you can start performing the set of action. Make sure to use the same wallet that you are using to complete all the other tasks and the Galxe task. Same wallet. Do not switch wallet, use the same wallet, right? And again, cancel it, go back here. So here you can see the set of tasks, which is pretty easy. Follow Aethir, follow this, visit the site, and likewise. And once you complete all the tasks, this tab will pop up and you can collect all your points. So I can complete this right in front of the screen. Let me join the Telegram, and once I do so, this will be done from my end. View in Telegram, and once I do so, by the way, this is my group. You can join it right over here, and I'm joining their group. I think I'm joined, and once I joined, I go back here, cross it, and refresh this part. See, tick mark is there. Now I can claim 600 points. Click on claim. So this is done. I got 600 points. But again, let me remind you, go to this Aethir part, click on it. After doing this, go to this, and here it will take you to the main page. So 600 points are not enough. You need to enter this part, which is this one, Aethir Cloud Drop, and inside it there are quest 1, quest 2. So what you did, you completed the quest 1, which has 600 points. You need to complete quest 2 also, which it won't show. So again, complete this, collect additional 50 points, which is right over here, so that your total, when you see the leaderboard, it should be 650. You can see 650 here. Now go back again, and here the third point is, right now the task is to purchase the node. This is optional, but it will increase your chances of getting more airdrop. Remember, this is a decentralized GPU network. So again, nodes have a bigger role to play. If you buy the node, you will get more number of airdrop. I cannot confirm it, but I believe it is pretty sure that you will receive a larger number of airdrops compared to the one who do not have any node. So again, let me show you this part. Let's go and let me show you the price right away. How much the node is costing. I think this one cost around a minimum of 1.8 WETH or around over 2.1 WETH. That is the price I can predict right over here. So you can see here, go down, Aethir node, see the price. It is a bit costly. If you can purchase it, you will be eligible for more reward. So that's it. That's how you can do it. Remember, they will be adding more tasks on this particular tab. So click on the link below that I've shown you. Click on it, connect your wallet, complete the task, and visit it before 15th of May. Keep on visiting it, and you will find more tasks. Collect the points, whatever you can, collect the batches, and you will be eligible for more airdrop. It is very easy, very simple. If you face any question, comment below or join my Telegram. Very simple, very easy, good money to make. Do not miss it. It is better than Render crypto project. So with that, I complete my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do watch the video shared on the screen. These are also important airdrops, so watch them out and make money fast. Join my Telegram, subscribe to my channel, share the video. Let's meet tomorrow in the new content. Thank you.